Welcome back to Built by Apes, and today we're gonna wrap this very special car. It's a Toyota GR86 white body artisan spirit original Japan. Okay guys, the Itasha on this car is already finished, and right now let me introduce you to the owner of this car and let him do the talk about the character on this car, okay?
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Brilliant Sandiuda, and everyone called me Sandy. I'm the owner of this GR86, the Kirara Itasha. So, who is Kirara? For me, Kirara is my lifesaver because he give me the stuff to trying everything what I need to be. I feel like for the next modification I'm gonna do in this car is probably just some small interior modification. I think I want to put some supercharged in this engine, hopefully. That's the only thing that I could tell, but for sure Kirara will be staying in this car for my appreciation of her work.
Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to comment about this car. Okay, see you, bye!